What are three things that need to change for America to be successful in the future? Okay, well, better education, which means not just teaching people rote facts and you got to learn these facts for this test. I mean, you got to teach people how to examine things critically and teach them the scientific method and teach them to demand evidence for anything that they're told. They gotta have critical thinking skills, basically. The second thing that would need to change is that we need to start to view the purpose of the law not to it's not about what's going to be the greatest benefit to the social order, because when you do things from that perspective, you can't change human nature. I mean, of course, there are certain things that if you could, there are certain behaviors that if you could eliminate them, things probably would go more smoothly. But you're not going to be able to do that, and even if you could, it really wouldn't be ethical to do so. So, we need to change from that to the idea of how can we maximize the freedoms of the individual. And the third thing that needs to happen is that the people who already have adopted that philosophy, that we need to maximize the freedoms of the individual, need to come to the understanding that it's not always as simple as just saying that the government has to butt out. Sometimes you do have to initiate positive rights in order to give people a more robust array of choices. Obviously, if some like universal health care is a great example. Obviously, if someone is dying of a disease, they want to be able to have the choice to live. That's a pretty important choice. And a system that deprives them of that choice because they don't have enough money, that's not a system that is going to be successful, in my opinion. So those three things need to happen.